My name is Dylan Leviner, and I'm doing a video presentation on how to boot up your computer from a CD or DVD-ROM. First, I'm going to give you a couple quick reasons why you would want to do that. You would want your computer to boot from a CD or DVD-ROM first if you were, for instance, trying to change your password to your computer. Maybe you forgot your password and you needed to enter your BIOS settings to change your password. You would change your boot order to boot from CD or DVD-ROM because you would put a password recovery disk in and you would want your computer to boot from that disk. Or if you were trying to change up your operating system, you would want your computer to boot up from a CD or DVD. I'm going to take you through the steps to do that, and I'm going to start with my computer completely turned off. It's real simple. I'm using a Windows 8 gateway computer. If some of you don't have Windows 8, it'll still work just fine. Windows 7 would be just the same, just maybe a few different steps. On my computer, I'm going to hit F2, but on some other computers, it might be the delete key, maybe F10 or F1, but all the basic principles are pretty much the same. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First, you see, I have my computer. It's turned off right now. What I'm going to first do is I'm going to power it on, and before I can see the Windows screen log on, I'm going to completely hit F2 until I see my BIOS screen. Now we've entered the setup utility screen, and like I said, what we want to do is we want to go to the boot menu and set our computer up to boot from a CD-ROM first. And if you see where it says boot priority order, what we want to do is we want to change that order from Windows Boot Manager to CD-ROM first. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to CD-ROM, and you see right here it gives you a few options. It tells you to change the values. What we want to do is we want to hit F6 twice, and that will put the CD-ROM first in the priority order, which means that your computer will boot first from your CD-ROM automatically. And then to save these changes, what we want to do is we want to go down and we want to click F10. We want to click Save, and where the setup confirmation screen comes up, you want to click Yes. We want to save configuration changes and exit now. And now your computer will begin to reboot, and it would boot from a CD or DVD.